Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Maldivian food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share masala dosa recipe. So let's get started. Hi, today I am going to make dosa recipe, masala dosa recipe. For that recipe I am going to use 3 tablespoon oil, uh, and I am going to add, this is mustard seed 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon coriander seed, and 1 tablespoon uh, black pepper seed, and dried chili, uh, and these are optional curry leaves and banana leaf. Mix it, cook it. Now time to add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it. Now time to add onion. Mix it. Yeah, like this. Now time to add red chili powder, it's 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder, it's half teaspoon. Mix it. Now time to add salt. Add salt according to taste. I added 1 teaspoon, or it's actually less than that. 2 tablespoon water and boiled potato. Actually better to crush it with a hand. Mine are a little bit hard, so I am adding 1 cup water. You can skip it if potato is soft enough. Just crush it, mix it. Now at this point I am going to cook it for a while. If salt is needed, add more salt. This is lemon, I'm squeezing lemon on it. Add if you like, and you can skip also. I'm crushing potato with the fork. Like this is done, I'll keep it aside. You can add fish if you want. This is 150 gram rice and 50 gram dal, and salt to taste. Rava 1 tablespoon, and fenugreek seed half a teaspoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. 2 tablespoon yogurt. So now time to grind the rice and dal and fenugreek seed. Grind it all together, or you can do it separately and mix uh, later. Add water uh, when you are uh, add water while grinding it as much you need. I am going to strain it like this, and now time to add other ingredients. This is rava, and this is sugar and yogurt, and this is salt. All together mix it. Add water. I need more water, so I added it like this much water, and this much would be like this much will be good. It should be like this. I should be able to, you should be able to make a roti like this. So dosa is ready, and this is masala dosa. When you put that curry thing in this roti, the masala dosa is ready. So enjoy. I hope you liked the video. I am going to enjoy my masala dosa. Make your own and enjoy it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.